What's up, guys? This is Ryan Johnson with moneybass.com. Let's go ahead and hit the power button so we can get into this quick tutorial, and hopefully this will help some of you guys out. So remember, as we're booting up, we're going to go into the simulator mode on this system. So once it gives you the option to hit the menu key, you just want to make sure you are ready to hit that menu key. So we will hit menu, and then from there you want to hit the down arrow and go to simulator mode, hit it to the right, and there we go. So now we can hit the exit key again, and we are currently in simulator mode. So what we will be looking into today, I know a lot of you guys have already received the Mega Live system. There's a lot of information online with guys putting up their views, their experiences and everything with it, but I have still been getting a lot of questions, and to me, you can pretty much use some of this information, whether you're working with your sonar or whether it's your down imaging. But basically today, what we're going to do is just look at a way to zoom in on whatever it is that you're looking at using your Mega Live. So whether that is going to be some type of structure or actual fish, or, you know, just something that you're seeing and you want to get a better look at it. We're just going to look at a few ways that you can use the system to zoom in and just kind of get a better look at things that you are seeing on the screen. So as stated in one of the previous tutorials, what we do is go to this view button. You want to press that and hold it in, and that's going to give us access to another menu. So we're going to go under Sonar, hit the right arrow key, and we are going to go down to Mega Live View. So if you have completed your update, the update that you need to have is going to be the 2.66 update. I will put a link in the description for that update. There's a video for me with me just walking through that and giving you guys a few tips on that also, but that will be down in the description. As always, make sure you read the description and go through the comments. A lot of guys are putting some helpful information in there. Everybody looks like they're willing to help each other out, which is a good thing. So once we get to Mega Live, we want to hit the right arrow key, and that will bring us to that Mega Live view. So from here, this is going to be our down view. So if we go into the menu area here, and let's see, so down display mode, there we go. So Mega Live mode, right now it's an auto, down, pretty much the same thing. So let's just start off with this down imaging view. So what we're basically looking at is, for example, right here, you can see a cluster of fish. If for some reason you wanted to figure out how can I'm going to be targeting that area. So how can I hone in a little bit better and just get a better view of what I'm seeing in there? So maybe it'll help me see my bait as I drop it down or as it's coming through. Just how can I get that closer up image of that? So what we can do is, you can move the cursor. This is one way to do it. You can leave the screen the same, move that cursor over to the area that you want to get a better view of, and just hit this positive, this plus sign right here. And that will allow you to zoom in on that specific area. And you can use your, this key right here where you can move up, down, left, right, and you can move this around to the area that you want to get a better view of. So once you stop moving it, you can see that the screen will lock in. But as you move it again, it will begin updating. So as long as you're moving it, it's going to update. But as soon as you stop, it's going to freeze in. So that way you can kind of get a better idea of what you're seeing on the screen. So that is one way of doing that, of getting that better view so that you can zoom in. All right, so the other option that you can do for this is you want to go into the menu, just hit menu one time. And what we're going to play around with is going to be your downrange. And let's just go into that. Let's see. So right now it's on 22. So as we move it in a little bit closer, you see now we're on 16. And what it's doing is kind of blowing that screen up a little bit more. Let me go back in here. So if you have to get back into the screen again, just remember you can always hit that view button, go back to Sonar, drop back down. This is a shortcut to get back to the screen that you wanted in. So all we're doing right now, guys, is just kind of playing around with that downrange. So a lot of times it will be on auto. So let me just show you the original setting when it's on auto. Just going all the way back down, and that's what the auto view looks like. So if we take it and hit the menu key once, and now we go ahead and adjust that ourselves, right there, it's on 18 feet, 20 feet. So depending on where you put that, it will allow you to get a better view of the images that you're seeing on the screen. So let me go back in here real quick. Menu, and go to down display mode. Okay, so now we're going to go to forward view. And with forward view, it's pretty much the same thing. You can use your arrow key and move your cursor to whatever image that you're wanting to get a better view of. So let's move it right there. And then we will hit the plus key again. And now there you go. You can zoom in, move around. Maybe it's, you want to see how many fish are in there, see what kind of fish they are, how those fish are setting up. Just want to get a better view of that. This function right here will allow you to do that. And the other way that we can do it, this is pretty much the same as we did on that first screen, which is hit that menu button. And the option that you want to play around with again is your forward range and your down range. So depending on how you adjust these, which you can see both of those are set on auto right now. So for example, with this, let's hit the menu button once, go back down to forward range. Now let's just start moving this. And as you can see right now, that range is set on 10 feet. But let's keep moving it out a little bit more. So as you see, it's kind of giving you a closer view on that, but that is setting up your forward range. Now let's go down to, let's see, your down range and start adjusting that a little bit. And so now you can see those dots are a lot bigger. So this will come into play if you have found a location where you want to focus in on. Maybe there's a brush pile right there or some type of structure that those fish are going to be sitting on, and you have the time to focus in on that area and you just want to get a better view. See, there we go. There you can see where that bait was coming down right there. And whenever you're zoomed in like that, even when you're dropping smaller baits, crappie jigs, things like that, that is a way that you can zoom in and just get a better view of what it is you're seeing on the screen. But I hope you guys get the gist of that. If you have any questions or anything else that you would like me to kind of go over a little bit more, please leave that in the comment section. If you guys have already started playing around with this, please put your experience with it in the comment section so we can continue to help each other out. I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel and continuing to subscribe. The channel is still continuing to grow, and just really appreciate everyone supporting the channel, guys. So I'll see you on the next one.